If you are the head of an institution and that institution is crumbling, are you going to start blaming your workers, your co-worker, or your employee? Oh, no, the company is going down because I have a bad employee. He's not doing his job. When the press comes, who they want to talk to? They want to talk to the head. I used to be a teacher. When something is wrong in the school, who are they coming? Who is ultimately accountable? The principal, the head. So when your home, of which you are head, is falling apart, who is ultimately accountable? The man. So the man should take the lead, make the initial step to, oh, something is wrong in my marriage. What can we do to help? Call the pastor, get a counselor. We got to do something to help. The man should be initiating the call for help. Amen. For the man is first and foremost responsible. When Eve sank her teeth in the fruit, in open defiance of the expressed will of God, who did God come looking for? The man. The man is ultimately responsible. Therefore, the man must take this seriously. Exactly. And seek help. But let me say something, friends. What I've observed sometimes, especially those from the Caribbean, they don't seek therapy too readily. Is that clear? And it's extremely disturbing. I remember when I was even doing my family therapy program at Barry University. Friends, my professor, she says, okay, go hurry up here because I have to go and see my therapist. My professor as a therapist. Some of my classmates, they say, oh, yeah, because sometimes we ask, to share experiences in the class. What you have been, what your week has been. And many of them, I went and saw my therapist. If something is wrong in your life, you seek help. Seeking a help from the pastor, the therapist, should be second nature. You don't sit back in a bad marriage every day, hurting left, right, and center. You go to bed crying. You go to bed in needles and wake up in tears. And you won't seek help for it. Friends, when there's a problem in the home, get help. Amen? Oh, but I can fix it myself. Well, you haven't fixed it for 10, 20, 30 years. Seek help.